Welcome to Bad Food Blog. After yesterday's disappointment of the Philly cheesesteak, we've got the Cajun spiced chicken. I wonder if this is going to just taste like the mushroom and chicken with some spices in, because it's what I'm expecting after yesterday's. Again, these are not slices. They're about half the calories and about half the size physically. If you can see that. I've totally torn the packet to pieces now and it's fallen out. It didn't go on the floor though, it only landed on here. Exact same construction, exact same line pattern. So if you were taking these out and putting them on a tray, you'd have to smell the difference between them. Wow, a lot of spices, a lot of cool ingredients, and you can see now. Not tasting much chicken. Definitely some good Cajun spices. I'm tasting fajitas. I'm thinking more Mexican than Cajun, to be honest. This one is delivering on the name. Delivering on the name. Definitely. I'm liking this. We're good. Yeah, this is really nice. Wow. I'll eat this one again. And it's got some spice to it, definitely. It's not spicy, but it's got some spice to it when you're near the end. It's one of that building spice. Yeah. Lunchtime blogging, this is fantastic. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Try and get me to those 1,000 subscribers, y'all.